What is the secret of starting a successful YouTube channel? Pick the right category. Guys, I know you can be successful in any category, but it makes a huge difference if the content that you're making has a large audience. I work as a qualified accountant, and most of my YouTuber clients are from these categories. So, by working closely with them, I know that these are the best channels for monetization, and I'm going to share those categories with you today. The first one on my list is beauty and makeup. If you love things about beauty, then that's the category for you. You can create makeup tutorials, product reviews, skincare routines. Brands can pay you hundreds and then thousands to promote their products on your channel. The next one on my list is gaming. If you love to play games and you're a bit of a gamer, then that's the category for you. You can share your passion with the world, you can create gameplay videos, you can talk about other games by making reviews, and you can even live stream your gaming sessions while other people watch you play. The next one on my list is food and cooking. If you're a foodie, then creating a cooking channel is a fun way to share your passion about food. You can share cooking tips, recipes, and food hacks with your audience. The next one on my list is travel. Guys, YouTube has changed the travel industry. If you can help people decide where to travel, what to expect when they are there, and best places to see and visit in that location, there is a massive audience for it on YouTube. These people want to get inspired by watching your travel experience. Last but not least, we have the lifestyle and personal vlogs. If you're not sure what kind of content to create, then you can just simply talk about your daily life. Even things like taking your dog out for a walk or visiting a dentist and the things that you've observed, that's a good way to connect with your audience and showcase your personality. So, there you have it. Some of the best categories to start a YouTube channel and increase your monetization. Pick a category that you're passionate about, and trust me, you can be successful in any category that you want. However, you need to be a little bit strategic and make sure that the stuff you want to talk about, there is an audience for it. Good luck, have fun, and don't forget to like and follow to stay connected.